Welcome back to Python for All. This is Lesson 2, Say Your Name. Today, we'll learn how to make Python talk to us and even greet us by name. First, let's open Visual Studio Code. Remember, this is the editor where we'll write all our Python programs. If you don't have it yet, download it from code.visualstudio.com.
Next, we need the Python extension. Click on the Extensions tab, type Python, and install the one for Microsoft. This makes VS Code understand Python code. Now let's create a new file. Save it as lesson2.py. The .py ending tells the computer this is a Python program. Here's the fun part. Let's write some code. Type name equals input. What is your name? This line creates a variable called name. A variable is like a little box that stores information. In this case, it stores whatever name the user types. Now, let's make Python say hello back. On the next line, type print hello plus name plus exclamation point. This prints a friendly greeting using the name inside the variable. Let's try it out. In the terminal, type Python lesson2.py. Python will ask, what is your name? I'll type Sam. And look, Python replies, hello, Sam. Amazing, right? Great job. Today we learned how to set up Python in VS Code, what a variable is, how to use input to ask questions, and how to print a personalized message. In the next lesson, Python becomes a calculator. You'll learn to add, subtract, multiply, and divide with code. See you there.